The final location site of your refrigerator or freezer must provide a sufficient quantity of cool, clean air. All refrigeration systems operate more efficiently and trouble-free with cool, dry air circulation. Avoid locations near heat and moisture-generating equipment such as ovens, fryers, dishwashers, and steam kettles. Do not install in direct sunlight where temperatures may exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit or in an unheated area where temperatures may drop below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Air supply to the condensing unit is critical. Restricting airflow places excessive heat load on the unit, adversely affecting its operation and may cause premature failure. The condenser coil must be kept clean and free from obstruction. Condenser air filters are not recommended since they hinder airflow, and if not replaced frequently, will cause compressor failures. For optimal performance, all models should be installed on casters or legs with a minimum of 3 inches on each side and back of the cabinet. This spacing will provide sufficient room for proper air circulation and clearance to access components for cleaning and maintenance. If any of these conditions cannot be met, the installer should provide special venting or air ducts, or an optional front breather kit can be ordered and field installed from the factory. The floor at the final location site must be level, free of vibration, and strong enough to support the total combined weights of your new model, plus the maximum product load which might be placed into it. Refer to the operations manual provided with your unit for an example on how to estimate for floor loads. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.